10 Best Natural Remedies for Kennel Cough in Dogs. 1. Steam inhalation. Steam is the easiest and most effective kennel cough home remedy. 2. Honey. Another effective home treatment for your infected pet is honey. 3. Coconut oil. In recent years, coconut oil has gained huge popularity as an effective kennel cough treatment in dogs. 4. Food-grade hydrogen peroxide. Though it may take some searching to locate a food-grade hydrogen peroxide, it is highly effective at suppressing a cough. 5. Vitamin C. When dealing with a pet suffering from kennel cough, you must not forget about the importance of vitamin C. 6. Oil of oregano. Oregano oil has antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral properties, which are effective at treating colds and coughs in pets as well as humans. 7. Probiotics. Probiotic foods like yogurt have great nutritional value for humans as well as their four-legged companions. 8. Herbal teas. Herbal teas like licorice tea and sage tea can be of great help in soothing your beloved dog's cough. 9. Chicken soup. This remedy may sound strange, but it's very effective and ensures faster recovery. 10. Keep the air moist. For quick healing, keep the air in your house moist when your dog is suffering from kennel cough.